Okay. All right, here we go. So this was only the deserted park I could find out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I went there twice. One of them I went to twice. First went there was a couple of kids there with their parents. I went back there again. It was a birthday party with bouncy house. And actually, there was balloons all in the parking lot. Lost balloons, flown balloons, whatever. Blown balloons. So yeah, they're having them fun. Heard Bad Bunny playing. This thing is shaking like I don't know what in here, boy. But when I looked at the footage yesterday, because there's a Cadix peanut on here, yeah, there was nothing there, so that was good. But it does make it hard to see when it's bouncing like this, man. What's it called, jello? See, have I went over here yet? See, and I can't even see in here. I think I see the bottom of the gate. So with this particular one here, it's an old camera, and with the jello from the grommet, I don't know why I can't think of the name of it. Anyway, the shock absorber is not secure, so it's bouncing all over the place. And in my radio, I need to put a RTC battery, real-time clock. I ordered from Amazon. Then I found out I could just get rid of the warning. You know, like your engine light, just get rid of the warning and keep driving. So when I go home today, I may replace it. So this is another one of those days where it's supposed to rain, and I notice I stopped talking when I got close, right? Had to concentrate. I got close to myself, had to concentrate. That it's supposed to rain. I charged up a couple of batteries now, like, okay. That was just yesterday and it rained. Caught 3. Had 3 left over. So I have been trying. Oh, that's it. Landed in the grass over here. Okay, never mind, landed there. So I have been trying multicam. So I have a cam here, have a cam on the drone, I have another camera over here. So, you know what? Let me do that again. Let's see how well this works. Well, no, we can do it like this right here. Okay, so I have been trying multicam, and there's a camera on the drone. There's a camera over here, and here's a GoPro camera over here. So I'm just checking it out, see if I can manipulate it in Premiere, get all the 3 cameras going. So, burn this battery out.